question I get asked a lot on Musical.ly is, how do I zoom in? Now, there are methods that used to work before Musical.ly, like, fixed them because they were glitches. Now, here are some glitches that haven't been fixed or two glitches, one glitch, I mean, that hasn't been glitched, that hasn't been fixed in a long time. So, yeah, let's get to it. So you got your phone, a real phone, not a paper one that I made. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open the Musical.ly app like so. And I'm sure you all know that there's a button that says edit profile. And if you have the unupdated version of Musical.ly, then it will say to edit profile or have a little thing with the pencil, and you click on that. Or if you have the updated version, then you're just gonna click on the profile picture, and it'll take you to a little window that says, or like a little thing, a notification that says choose one from library or from camera, and what you can choose is the camera. This is a blue dot on it. And after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually don't take a picture. You just have to zoom in to your zoom, and you're gonna click cancel. If you want to test how it looks, then take a picture. I don't care. But it'll still work at the same. And you want to know that your camera is flipped to the side that the LPS is going to be on. Because if it's facing the front side, like your face, or the screen is, it's not going to work. And you're going to have to redo it. So it's going to have to face this side. That's the back of the phone with that camera. And hopefully you know that it is set to that. And then you're gonna have to know what sound you're gonna choose, because it wears off after a while. If you do searching for like 30 minutes with sound, then it's gonna wear off. And yeah, you're gonna make the Musical.ly and post it, and then get likes, and everyone's gonna love it because you zoomed and they don't know how to do it. And then they'll have to look at my video to know. Thirsty for fans. But yeah, that's how to zoom in on Musical.ly. You're welcome for informing you. Bye.